Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 70 Camaro here. It's a fresh restoration with some old school charm. Pretty tough looking car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can see all the photos, pictures, and the price of this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all for sale. So why don't you put on your bell bottoms and join me for a spin in this 70 Camaro. Look at the stance. The stance is perfect in the tire size. Got nice meaty tires in back. Has some nice old school type polished aluminum wheels and spoilers front and back, and the stripes, which you don't even feel. It has that old 70s style pattern to it. I think it's all cool stuff. The fellow that I bought this car from has been in the business. He's owned his body shop for 38 years. This was his car, and he told me repeatedly how rust-free the car was front to back. It's the original metal. He said it was just such a clean body. That's why he chose the car and restored it. So you have original quarter panels, and if you were here, you would see the factory spot welds around the rear wheel well lip. Usually those are bonded over by now. Look at this long door, and it fits real nice. There's no bubbles down here at all. No door dings down either side. It's like looking in a mirror. Now, it's not a $50,000 paint job. You might find a tiny imperfection somewhere. Actually, right here, there is one little bubble about the size of my pinky nail. And other than that, it's in super nice shape. There's actually a couple little more up on the roof here for some reason. Everything fits square and flush. This is a cowl hood. The bumpers are original. They're in good shape. Windshield looks like it's new. It's nice and clear. The dash pad's real nice. These dash pads were known to warp. It's a little curled up if you're looking through the windshield straight at it. When you're sitting in the car looking at the dash, it's fine. Mirrors are new. New rubber seals. All the weather strips are new. This door is just as nice as the other door. The doors are painted glossy. The bottom of the door is the factory door skin that's folded over, is in excellent shape. He's put some nice sport seats in front. The rest of the upholstery, the side panels, all of this is mint. Center console's real nice. Just an empty trunk compartment, but it's clean original metal, no patches, just nice clean metal. It's got a new weather strip. This is a factory gauge package in here. It has a tachometer in the dash. Carpets are new. It's got floor mats. Headliner was replaced. There's no radio in there, so we decided rather than just throw a cheap radio in, we'll leave it to the next guy to put his own stereo of his liking in there. The dash is not cut up. You can put a stock radio or go to town and put in a stereo. Underneath, the car is completely solid. 1970, they went on strike, so these were only made for about half a year. But it's a 350 motor with some upgrades, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, new MSD ignition system, it's got headers, the fuel pump, alternator look new. It has power steering, power brakes. Painted gloss black in here. It's painted up pretty nicely. And we'll fire it up for you. Seats feel good. Sounds like a hot rod. Yeah, everything does fit real nice. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. We can walk you through the process, answer questions about the car, about shipping, financing. So visit volocars.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. I appreciate everyone who has been watching, and stay tuned for more cool cars. We'll just keep finding them. Thank you.